Yo, what's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to start a pretty big project. I'm going to break this project up into two, depending on how this video goes. So we're going to put on a 3-inch lift on the Toyota Tacoma. This will apply from 2005 to 2000, maybe 21. I don't really know how the newer ones are, but yeah, mine is specifically a 2006 4-wheel drive. So there's going to be a couple things we got to do to throw this on. I'd say it's kind of involved, you know, but yeah, you can always watch like the extreme terrain or whatever, but I ordered this lift kit off of them. This will be a 3-inch rough country lift. So suspension lift, I'm not doing a spacer, I'm doing a full shock conversion, and then I'll be doing a spacer in the back on the rear end until I get a full leaf pack. So anyway, you guys, this is going to be a long project today, so I want to get this shit going. So I hope you enjoy the video. Consider liking, subscribing. Let's get to it. Got the shock out. That was fun. Take apart the upper control arm, take apart the sway bar end link, take apart the tie rod end. Good to go. Just put back all your bolts in the correct spot just so you can find them for later, and that's what I did. Shock is out. Here's the new rough country shock right here. Looking pretty good. Did it wrong. That's alright. Now we're going to cut off this. Lightly hold the diff. You drop it down just a little bit, but still have the jack kissing the front diff. And then you throw in these spacers. With the bolts, put a washer. Then you have to reuse the cup that comes with the truck. This is the extended bolt. Here's the spacer. Throw the spacer in, fit everything in, and then we're going to put a washer on the top, and then we're going to put the nut on the very top to tighten it all up. So instead of the original OEM bolt that is a 22 millimeter, you're going to switch over to a 19 millimeter for the new hardware. Come up through with an adjustable wrench so you can hold the nut. We're going to tighten it up. Spacers that go on the front diff, these are going to be 1/2-inch spacers. For a 3-inch lift, I would recommend a full inch. So in the future I will be buying a full inch, but for right now I'm just driving on the road. So, but whenever I do go off road, just make sure to get some full inch spacers. All right, guys, front is finished. Unsure how I feel about it, but it's kind of tall. But yeah, so far so good. I got some positive camber. Got to get that aligned for sure. But yeah, here's a clip of the new shocks. My CV angle isn't really that bad. I thought it would be a lot worse. This is like pretty much equating to like a 2.5-inch lift with the CV angles, so that's good. But I still might look into a full inch for a front diff drop. So other than that, everything looks good, besides the positive camber. So I'm gonna get started on the back. Here's the rear lift. We're just gonna be rocking 2-inch blocks in the rear, and then with extended U-bolts. Looking at the suspension, we're gonna be running it underneath the leaf spring. So all right, here goes none. All right, guys, 3-inch lift is complete. That was a long freaking day. Looks so clean. Looks different. So right now I'm kind of rocking the 31s on it. I think there's actually smaller than 31s, but 265, 60 or 60, I don't know. They're small. But yeah, so far I'm hearing like some vibrating from the driver's side or something like that, and I think that's the wheel bearing. But yeah, if I get it from a back angle like here, yeah, that shit looks dope. Like you can see it's a lot taller, but you know, it's just enough. It's good. Gotta let the ride settle out. But yeah, there's my CV angle, final resting place of the CV angle. Not too bad, but I want it to be straight, so I'm probably gonna end up getting an inch spacer, or I'll downgrade this to a 2.5 inch lift from the Bilstein. But we'll see. This is the stock upper control arms. Yeah, you kind of see some bend on that upper ball joint right here, but yeah, this will do for now until I can get the uppers. Pretty good. These ride really good. I like the rough countries. Gives it a stiffer ride, and it feels good on you know, off-road and dirt roads like what we're on. But here's the rear. This, oh my god, this was like a science to figure out. You know, adjusting the diff on both sides. I had to get my neighbor to help me. That was very interesting. But yeah, there's the rough country shocks. There's the 2-inch block. And yeah, so far so good, man. Thank you for watching. This is, I don't know how long this video will be, but that is the 3-inch rough country lift for a 2006 Toyota Tacoma. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and comment, and you know, let me know if there's anything else I can do to answer your questions. Thanks.